Virelia Broadcast Network Technology and Innovation Desk. Chulak Partners unveil Synaptic Com Relay. An EU Chulak joint team demonstrated the Syncom Relay, encoding tone and emotional inflection in transmission signals. Early reviews labeled the system empathy over bandwidth.
Soline Body Array. Fragrance tuned to composure.
The pilot phase begins in education and civic mediation channels, where tone often decides truth. Market analysts expect rapid commercial adaptation once export controls loosen. Chorus Sportsnet League coverage node. Forge advances TO Gridiron Finals. The Forge swept the Blues again in gridiron play, sealing the semifinals with a 31-19 finish. Off-world betting platforms crashed mid-game from surge traffic.
Axion Pulseware. Every move in sync.
Next week's final between the Forge and the Atlas line is expected to draw the largest live holo audience of the decade.